Okay, this is one of those occasions where I just said, fuck it, I may as well just plant them now. So, and that's what I've done. Planted some snow peas, some broad beans, some parsnip, some Viking spinach, some turnips, little ones, and some carrots. I'll take you down and show you where I've put them. So I've put the old trellises back in. They make another appearance. Around the outside of the trellises, I've just put some peas, snow peas, and broad beans, just sort of around each one. So they grow up, they'll sort of grow up and over the trellises. And in front of those and to the side, I've just whacked some carrots. Just keep a nice little border there. Use up the space as best we can. And then in the first two rows here, what did I put? They're the turnips, the first two rows. I meant to cover them all over. And then I got 3 rows of parsnip. 4 rows of parsnip, sorry, yep. And then in the last 3 rows here, I've put that spinach because it says that spinach likes a shadier position, so put it a bit closer to that tree there. So it's going to get a bit of shade, so I think that spinach should do well. But yeah, everything will just I'll cover that all over now, water it, and leave it in the lap of the gods. As I said too earlier, this is the this soil on top. It's the newer soil too, so it'll really give those seeds some good nourishment, and should see some activity in a couple of weeks, some sort of smallish activity. And then yeah, each one takes about 14 weeks, 12, 14, 16 weeks, which is about 3-4 months for them to really hit their peak. So here's hoping. Yeah, I'll just cover those over now, give them a bit of a water, and off we go.